देखो इन्हें ये ओस की बूंदें पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे। अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर। खो न जाइए तारे जमीन पर। ये तो है सर्दी में धूप।
Hello everyone, my name is Megan Sweesel Narona, and today we are going to talk about what you can do with sociology. So, a brief outline of my presentation is first we will talk about what is sociology, then we will move on to who are sociologists, what is the eligibility to pursue sociology as your career, the jobs in sociology and the employment opportunities, the pros and cons of sociology, and why you should choose sociology as your major. So, what is sociology?
His father wrote of sociology and was best known for founding positivism, a philosophical system that acknowledges only observable natural phenomena and that attempts to use scientific law as the basis for comprehending relationships between observable facts. He also is recognized as one of the originators of the science of sociology, believing that human societies are natural systems whose order and progress can be studied through scientific methodology. He was a deliberate and rationalistic thinker. He hoped to use his science of sociology to achieve spiritual and social reform, and ultimately a new social system. He had several opponents in England and on the continent, including, most notably, John Stuart. Comte was born in Montpellier on January 1798. Comte was raised in a fervently royalistic and Catholic household. His relationship with his family was strained. Later, he eventually broke ties with them, rejecting Catholicism and adopting republicanism over monarchism. In 1814, he entered the École Polytechnique in Paris, where he excelled in science and mathematics before being expelled in 1816 for leading a student revolt against the newly established royalistic regime. The following year, he became secretary to Henry de Saint-Simon, a social scientist who taught Comte
Good day, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter. Today's class is going to be interesting and fun. So let's begin. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Isn't this picture beautiful?
Yes, teacher. This picture is very beautiful. It's a picture of a scenery.
In this picture, we can see sun, birds, plants, and waterfalls.
How did you come to know that this picture is beautiful? Which sense organ helped you all to see it?
Eyes.
Yes, absolutely correct. Our eyes. The human eye is one of the most valuable and sensitive sense organ. It helps us to see the world and the colors around us. On closing our eyes, one can identify objects at some extent by their smell, taste, or sound. But it is impossible to identify colors while closing your eyes. Thus, of all the sense organs, our eyes are one of the most significant ones. Today, we are going to start with the chapter, The Human Eye and the Colorful World. At the end of this chapter, you will be able to identify and describe the different functions and part of the eyes. You will be able to define what is power of accommodation and state the near point and the far point of the eye. So let's begin. This is a diagram of the human eye. The human eye is like a camera. Its lens system forms an image in a light-sensitive screen called the retina. Light enters the eye.
In this video, we will look at the main dish of Ambarachen Saso and the sweet dish of Modak, both of which belong to the Hindu community. We will get to know the social significance, religious significance, the ingredients used, the method to prepare, and the sociological view of both the dishes. So, without wasting much more time, let's dive straight into the video. Ambarachen Saso is a typical Hindu dish which is usually made during Diwali time. It is made as the main dish to be accompanied rice during Diwali. It is a seasonal dish as it depends on the ability of the ambade. The dish is made with ambade is very delicious and it releases unique flavor of sweet and sour. Whatever the dish might be prepared with ambade, the dish needs jaggery to balance the taste as the ambade is slightly sour in taste. Moving forward, the social significance of Ambarachen Saso is as follows. It is made during the Diwali time, but however it depends on the availability of it. It is sweet and sour dish which socially signifies that life is a blend of both sweet and sour experiences. Consuming this dish, particularly on the onset of Diwali, gives a chance to reflect on all the sweet and sour memories or experiences one has experienced till date. The following are the ingredients: 6 to 8 ambade, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 sprigs of curry.
नमस्कार, माझे नाव श्रुती नाईक आणि हांव ग्रुप नंबर 9चे मेंबर. सुरवातेक हांव तुमकां गोंयचे बद्दल थोडक्यात म्हायती दिता आनी मागीर आमी घेतिल्ल्या विशयांचेर वळुया. तर गोंय हें भारतांतलें सगळ्यांत धाकटें आनी मानकुलें राज्य. सोबीत आमचें गोंय, सुंदर आमचें गोंय, रसा फळांचें, पिकार मळांचें, माड माडयांचें, शेतां भाटांचें हें गोंय. सोबीत आमचें गोंय, सुंदर आमचें गोंय.
Shigmo Festival is the spring festival in Goa celebrated by Konkani diaspora of Goa with a lot of pomp and show. This festival takes place in Palguna month from the ninth moon day to the full moon according to the Saka calendar of Hindu community living in Goa. This festival is celebrated around March every year. The Shigmo festival information is obtained from the Puranas.
The word Shigmo is a Konkani term which has been coined from Prakrit word Sugimaho and the Sanskrit word Sugrishmaka. There are two varieties of Shigmo festival, the Dakta Shigmo and the Warla Shigmo. The Dakta Shigmo is celebrated by the rural population, farmers and the labor class, whereas the Warla Shigmo is of greater importance and is celebrated by everyone.
भक्त हनुमान यह अंगूठी सीता मैया को देके आना। जय श्री राम। जय सीता मैया।
Alcohol has been consumed in
is addiction. At this stage, you no longer want to drink just for pleasure. Alcohol addiction is characterized by a physical and psychological need to drink. People with alcohol addiction physically crave the substance and are often inconsolable until they start drinking again. They may be addicted to other drugs as well. Compulsive behaviors are prominent in addiction, and people with alcohol addiction often drink whenever and wherever they desire.
One of the most important products of global addiction demand is an alcoholic beverage. In developing countries like India, alcohol consumption tends to be a major problem because
एडिक्ट आले सोडून इतला वयतना चेरो वचनासतना आमी इतला आमगे पिवताले आमच्या जुनियर आहले तेंचा सिक्स्थ एटा मोदी 3 वर्स पडलो हांवें सरा दुबय गेलो 2007 3 वर्स पडलो परतून प्लॅना बी सर मेळटा फ्लायटान बी हांव येताना फ्रेंड्स जाल्ले तेंचे बरो कोण 27 डेजाक 1,25,000 म्हणले आसताले. हांव एक 100 पितो एक मजा पिता टेंशन अशें कांय हय सर मस्त सोडूं जायना आतां इंसान हिंगा आसा म्हणल्यार प्रयोजना भायर गेलो म्हणटा ऑटोमॅटीक कितें जाता ऑटोमॅटीक न्हू जा पळयता
पूण तुका अशें कित्याक अशें दिसलें आपल्याक आतां सोडपाक जाय म्हणून
सोडपाक जाय न्हू म्हाका मीटिंग जाता पळय
or they are usually brought by the family members that they are being destructive or under the influence, they are causing trouble to them. Okay, so then we admit in the DDC along with the relative, usually initially, and then we keep some time for rehabilitation wherein the patient can stay alone. Okay? So what is the admission process usually? We see the patient, we evaluate. Okay, what we admit most of the time is severe alcohol dependence and when they get withdrawal symptoms. So whenever a patient tries to stop alcohol, he starts getting a few symptoms. Okay, initially they are very mild symptoms like it would be tremors or sweat.
T cells, white blood cells that circulate detecting infections throughout the body and falls and anomalizes in other cells. HIV targets and infiltrates CD4 cells, using them to create more copies of the virus. In doing so, it destroys the cells and reduces the body's ability to combat other infections and diseases.
Milk. The main ways you can get HIV are sex without a condom, having unprotected sex with someone who have HIV, particularly unprotected vaginal sex and anal sex, sharing injecting equipments, sharing needles, syringes or other equipments used to prepare and inject drugs with someone who has HIV, passed from mother to baby during pregnancy, childbirth and breastfeeding. A mother injected with HIV can pass the virus to her baby via her blood during pregnancy and blood and through her breast milk when breastfeeding. Contaminated blood transformation and organ tissue transplant. Receiving blood transformation,
When people with HIV don't get treatment, they typically progress through 3 stages. But HIV medicine,
Even as it moves into the general population, the HIV epidemic is still misunderstood among the Indian public. People living with HIV have faced violent attacks, been rejected by families, spouses, and communities, been refused medical treatment, and even in same reported cases, denition refers to prejudice, negative attitudes, abuse, and maltreatment towards people living with HIV and AIDS. The consequences of stigma and discrimination are wide-ranging by family, peers, and the wider community. An erosion of rights, psychological damage, and a negative effect on the success of HIV testing and treatment. Stigma not only makes it more difficult for people trying to come to terms with HIV and manage their illness on a personal level, but it also interferes with attempts to fight the AIDS epidemic as a whole. On a personal level, it can make individuals reluctant to access HIV.
धाकटे यात्रीक वता हांव एक सादें आनी कुशाल जिवीत जियेतालें, पूण अकस्मात एक दीस सगळें बदललें. सायरस नांवाच्या एक चेड्याच्या मोगान आसलें. आमी दोगांय बारबोर मोगान भोंवतालीं, बारबोर कॉलेजीक वतालीं आनी एकामेकाक वेळ दितालीं. एक दीस हांव कॉलेजींतावन घरा आयलें तेन्ना म्हज्या मामी डॅडीन तांकां एड्स जालें म्हूण म्हाका सांगलें. तांकां एड्स म्हज्या डॅडीक लागून सांपडलें, कित्याक तो ड्रग्स करतालो म्हूण.
डॉक्टराचो फोन येयलो. डॉक्टरान सांगला आमकां दोगांकूय एड्स जाता.
रोजी बाय घरा येता तेका आतां आमी कितें सांगया?
डॉक्टरान जें कितें आमकां सांगलां तेंच आमी बायक सांगलें.
बरें.
मामी डॅडी कितें जालें?
काय ना बाय यो आमचे म्हणून.
कितें जालें मम्मी? बाय डॉक्टराचो फोन आयलो आनी आमकां दोगांकूय एड्स जालें. कितें?
आमच्या घरांत एड्स जाला म्हणून आयकून आख्ख्या वाड्याक खबर जाली आनी ताका लागून हांव कॉलेजीक वचपाचें बंद केलें. ह्या दिसांनी हांव सायरसाक कॉल आनी मेसेजीस करीत आसलें, पूण तो म्हाका नाकारता. सायरस म्हजो फोन कित्याक काडना? पूण एक 7-8 दिसांनी सायरस म्हज्या घरा कडेन आयलो.
बाबा हो जा बरें रे म्हाका तें कितें इम्पॉर्टंट उलोवपाचें तेका लागून वयतालो. बरें बरें म्हाका सांगपाक ना सांगितलें म्हाका सांबाळ. बरें एलएनसी ओ एलएनसी
कोण?
एलएनसी
सायरस तूं यो भितूर.
हांव तुमगेर भितर येना.
इतल्या दीस म्हाजो फोन कित्याक काडनासलो?
तुका बरें खबर हांव तुजे फोन कित्याक काडना ते.
कित्याक?
आख्खे गांवाक खबर आसा की तुमच्या घरा एड जाले आसा म्हणून. देखून हांव आमचे भितर कितें आसा ते सगळे कवर करपाक येयला. तुजी वाट तुका आनी म्हजी वाट म्हाका आसा.
पूण सायरसाक सोजमावपाचो हांवें जायतें ट्राय केलें की एड्स तशें जायना, पूण ताणें म्हजें कांय आयकूंक ना आनी तो म्हाका सोडून गेलो. मामी डॅडीच्या एक चुकीक लागून आयज म्हाका एड्स जावंक पावलें. खंयसरूय वचूंक पासूंक मजान जायना. लोक आजून रेडी ना टू एक्सेप्ट दॅट एड्स इज नॉट स्प्रेड थ्रू हँडशेक्स ऑर एअर.
We visited Asra, a home for children with HIV/AIDS and Kavilusim. The vision of Asra is break the silence, be the leader, let's talk about HIV/AIDS. Asra is run by the state of Goa.
There's no vaccine to prevent HIV infection and no cure for AIDS, but you can always protect yourself and others from the infection.
Use treatment as prevention. If you're living with HIV, taking your HIV medications can keep your partner from getting infected with the virus.
Don't share drugs for shooting drugs, piercing, and tattoos.
Use a new condom every time you have sex.
If you're pregnant, get medical care right away.
Tell your partners if you have HIV. It is important to tell your current as well as your past sexual partners that you're HIV positive. They too will have to get themselves tested.
Get tested and treated for other STDs besides HIV regularly. Having other STDs makes it easier to spread HIV to others.
Antiretroviral medicines help slow the rate at which the virus grows. Taking these medicines can help reduce the amount of virus in your body and help stay healthy.
Hate
the disease, but
not the diseased.
That of structural functionalism. It was only later that it was replaced by yet another perspective due to the determination of certain influential personalities. It began to lead to a situation where one of the main ideas of functional perspective, where society was seen as something static, was questioned. Hello, and my name is Roseanne Fernandez, and today I would like to give you all a glimpse into the perspective that questioned the functional perspective, and also look at the life of one of the individuals who contributed to this perspective. So to briefly talk about the perspective that entered the main stage after structural functionalism, the name of this perspective was the conflict perspective. One of the initial founders of the perspective was Karl Marx, who was famous for his theories of capitalism and communism. Some other contributors include Maxwell, George Simmel, and so on. The perspective suggests that society is in a state of perpetual.
तारे ज़मीन